Yo, yo, welcome MMTV. Why don't you come inside and check out my crib? Come inside, it's getting cold. Yo, this is where it all started. First order, up on the wall, reminds me every day to keep it real. Yo, yo, MMTV, this is our stock room. You can see all the stock here that we've got for other people's clients. Come with me, let me show you. We've got all our samples, our what's hot brochure, even our pen for signing our contracts with. Coasters for our champagne, for when everything's going well, or something to brighten up your life. Yeah. Then over here, we've got all of our brochures, and we've even got our luggage case for when we're going to see clients or even going on holiday. Yo, here I am with my mate Luke in Luke's Cuts. We've got a special arrangement. I come in, he does my cuts anytime I like. Come in. So we sit down. This is my main man Luke, who does my cuts, my grips.
Ben, not today, mate. Get out. I ain't got time today. Can you just get out, please?
Oh, quick! Check out my weekday car. You know, nice BMW.
Ben?
Yeah.
Yeah, mate.
What?
What? You sitting on the car, mate?
What? Quick! Go! Come upstairs. Where is everyone? That's better. This is where the magic happens. On our two 24-inch flat screens. On the one screen we're redesigning the website with our main man Lawrence at Advantage Group, and on the other one of our top suppliers in Lautex. We will be expecting discounts. Enough of up here, let's check out that noise downstairs. Let's check out the kitchen. So it looks like it's party time here. I think it's time for you to go. Come on, out you go. Out you go. See ya.